Mema obi bia ba kwa baba Joba TV so. Minim se baby a wo bia oje. Enen so ye da foforo anyame aye. Na eho se ye me ni je. Na de ye nsa so ma ye no. Ye na ye ni yie. Na eno na ebeba mfa sopa ama ye. Enen so aye nkomo foforo. Ene aye personality. Kese pa otse manim. Papa enemne ne betwetwe nkomo onye ni paketwa. Nti sini twa adwuma ne de ono nso de obetimi no waje. Ami ntwa me ho na menye mabo afo nkrato ra. Me ba meto am nkomo bonus. Meda mabo afo ase oboba village and apartment o poku ase amanfom. Eye apartment bi a ho efe bibia ho. Woda ho a ompese obekofie. Ehoma ne na etwagu no. Fre oboba village na oma baby na ejojo ho. M.O.C.
Yes, dear.
Now what to say?
What did I want to now say?
Wow,
beautiful.
Papa, your friend M.O.C. Danny Danso. Now, me say Danny no, Daniel. Inti M.O.C. ni dear, me nim ni mini. Inti me pacho M.O.C. no, ni mini any day.
Your meaning can enchant you for, I mean that, Juba for this opportunity. M.O.C. It means man of Christ.
Man of Christ.
Say M.O.G.
A man of God.
Maybe then a man of Christ.
Ayo. Any say dear. Any ebenya ebeka krebenya M.O.G. Man of Jesus. Say you M.O.G. Man of God.
Yes.
M.O.C. Man of Christ. It's ebeka krebenya M.O.G. Man of Jesus.
Man of Christ is the same as man of Jesus. Say Jesus Christ.
So what for Christ? Mobi so for Jesus. Mobi so for Jesus.
Every woman of Jesus.
And you know no better.
And W.O.G.
W.O.G. Me ma try take for my J. Say so share me. And from my what to a friend W.O.G. Man of Jesus. Na M.O.C. Movie industry no. Say na a trick too.
It is treating me well. Actually, me been watching.
Okay.
And me call break kakra. Me be try for 8 years.
Okay.
Na me jacket in a few 8 years.
Wow.
It's be 4 years ago in me sound back.
Okay.
Yeah, it's me back is so my age more than first 8 years.
Sir.
Yeah, me started with Kwame Uzanza.
Hey, there's a Kwame Uzanza who here too.
Yeah, the late. Together with Brew Rivers Jr. and Harry Lord. It's my first movie in Who Killed Comfort Noche.
And no some movie
I tell you. And I'm a second movie with Miracle Films and so na opportunity.
As it rings a bell.
Yes, opportunity is that time no my ground costume. I'm not dressing here.
Wow.
Yeah, and then we had Emmanuel France from Nigeria Obichebi. Na Jololo money ade. It is that time so na me mate am no trust in na we ya Bella Samoa Emilia Brobe mu nyina me mate.
Okay.
It me try till 2012. And I me pause kakra call school for ministry and me sound so a musician.
Okay.
It's a ministry kakra, so now it's time to come back. It me buy me sound by 4 years me.
Which is 2018. 2020 now.
2020 COVID time na mo na back.
Nana adwuma no nana Emma ana se wa na uja se da bi o se okoye nyame adwuma kaka.
Oh, me act ni nyina na me nyame adwuma mu deda.
Okay.
Because already from in term.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was already into ministry. But there was a me co school. Na me pay attention to as a ministry is na me beginning. And now you're young and so approach maybe one 2 and 2 year.
Okay.
Focus 9 year to me how. So I needed to drop this one a little bit and focus on ministry. That was when I went to school to at least develop my music and worship and then the preaching and everything. Yeah.
Into Oko Bible School.
Yeah, Archbishop Ajinasari and Otitemi.
Okay.
Yeah, so on also didn't buy TV so for the first time to sing.
Yeah, so your Paris chapel, sorry,
me quite so, but open myself.
Okay.
On because school on for 2 years. And I Reverend Yosin and Togo sisters. Someone I wanted to say me new to Ankasa. Yeah, so it has been like that. Yeah.
And to say, oh, they are so food, you know. I became acting. No,
be any my for.
I mean, so what's I was at Tonyum.
So musician, pastor, missionary.
And the major chamber, major chamber. What the as of food, you know, I became senior man.
That's right.
Not me, a man of Christ.
Yeah.
I don't know who giant now call Bible school, you know. One for accent and 20 and one concentrating more. When you made you call Bible school, now was about acting.
It's a gift from God.
Acting.
Yeah, it's a gift from God. So you need to put it to work. Nyame de achede na ma. It is all the ejuma. Okay. To be a blessing to others. And also see avenue.
Okay.
I'll be announced with the Asume Riders. Okay. Because media is very, very, very strong.
Okay.
Yeah, and you know, if you are blessed to have acting in you, is better so the way. And I just want to use it to the glory of God.
Now acting. What challenges be woman?
We break. Challenging is a trip time.
Okay.
A trip time because this year I have been on set for 4 days.
Okay.
Until me and ran at 12.
I know now your friend say Krui.
I become very fit.
I was say if you are now
call
Ahinkro.
I've been there to shoot for 4 days. Ahomachi me sorry I me ready abefie. And papa is friend me me the bar set ways.
Okay, just one coffee.
Me a fast coffee ko the minimum ko say o nema me the corridors and so nema kakre bi me here. To me a fast coffee ko dware the minimum go am san fa ka ba ha. Okay. To me share that kwan die here. Okay. Until challenge ba ko ye time. A treat time. Okay. Until no. So when you be a wa ye will be bia. Obenya issues. Because obikura to me fifie be 3 months no ba fi.
No,
yeah.
Ukosi ni chom trek.
Yes, 3 months, 4 months.
Uko twa hane afro no twa.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, to fia na ukonso be mo baby ada e be won obedi. To ahwe ya kra o da no kwa obedem na che. Ego twa adwuma bi okofori dia. People stayed there for 6 months, 8 months.
Hey.
Yeah.
No serious na.
Serious. Nana Koto on DSTV.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's I sorry I'm into na me ba fi every weekend.
Okay.
About man for months than they stayed there. Until here time, the challenge of time. And then the challenge of money.
Okay.
The challenge of money now. Wow, I feel I will be from you into your car.
Okay.
There's a wow to your hoka. Until wow be penny abedi say transportation at Bakwaba. Ha. And now wo be musuno we nim pagya kakra na ma o cash no so a eno so ho nsam bebre aha when M.O.C say baby HS yo anye yentigi say
na wo die say wo je cash
oh da meje
wo die wo
charge but
eduru ba bi a charge na ye fraud ya wo je emuso odu
oh en de send there obi an na ho de na adwuma bi ansoso ni sani ayekono
okay
the no charge no that's pepe no bi so ya wa down for parent no won't mean charge you can so when you no because of the relationship and you know and a challenge of money back on say we do level be also to me adwuma
yes
you know getting money to start your own production it's easy because I dey back a jiska or movie require equipment
na asemo ya kana mama musa ade wo se obi o active ya wo be ye onya ne own production
and but you need to grow. For example, Evander Kwame Ajaman,
the director.
Yes, he's one of the finest DOPs in Ghana.
Yeah,
he's my mate.
Okay.
We all came in say actors. You be seeing acting.
Say Evander do now original camera too.
And I make sure in video.
Okay.
Or by say actor.
Okay.
Miss Sims by say actor. And why woman no see there no who say me say me area ni.
Nti maminya acting no.
No or the kosher.
Okay.
Jones Ajaman. Don't say me mate. Also be mu say actor and or director.
Oh, director.
Aha. It's there you need to grow. Akwese oba Kristo mu. After you so run ajenkwa oba Kristo ni. You need to grow in Christ.
Okay.
Into ba movie you need to grow. Ejuma wo ye say you need to grow. Ebedu baby no. Now I'm here now also we also the all of us we need to grow.
And the challenges anytime.
The time, the money, and then the challenge of meeting different characters
and different sets.
Yes, obiane ni suban.
Okay.
A far both spiritual, a far physical. Because industry ni money omo nsum nyame.
Say we are okay, ye me the pa ma me ntwa me ho. Man of Christ say challenges no ba ko pa different characters. We share with different sets so spiritual and physical. Asem we no ebeko deep ti ma menye mabro afon krato mra na me ba wa chire mo. Vickers Kitchen, US, New York, Abroche mem ononso oye assorted food. Abroche de unya time kra no. O wale kra. Nyame amfa kwa ma oyere intimi no aduan mo san say ekọ say ekope bibia bedi. Yanko say yekodidi. Enti na Vickers wo say frɛ wo mo na ba bia wo bia say de ye delivery organa ha no. Sa de ye delivery wa Abroche. Wo fra Abroche mem ba bia wo bia obebrɛ aduane. Wabusuani bi nso wo hɔ a fa number na etwagu ne fa man say on frɛ Vickers na on popo no tuzavi papa bi bia na free Ghana ha no Abroche nye Sunday special o Vickers ebe ma Sunday special na wo ka bibi say spiritually na o person say obi o ho na ne honhom na ti ni mu no na enye na o person de be try one as
Oh yeah, it's part of it.
O be try na brewase
Bebre wo musa.
Okay.
Because enye nya na so nyame. Di ye wo nkremofo wo mu, Kristofo wo mu, abosomsomfo wo mu, even satanists. To be any bibi ofiba. So it's a challenge. Into obemwa, you have to be strong. You have to be spiritually strong. And physically too, you have to be physically strong. We do any DM so nye say we dey nkofo tutu say didi rough.
Okay.
This we call you issue so no akofa we drink no akọ na enye medi no because there's that challenge of meeting different characters.
Okay.
Nti woni be obi fiba aha nti no bi kwa na oba set so de issue ni na aduane na
bibia ba
sa ena eba san so no a ye wo mo so a akwai say bia say ru obi ho na ye prayer.
Okay.
So obi betimi agi wo de afi nsam.
And only spiritual.
Yes, the spiritual world controls the physical world.
Na asama wo kan no. Na me pese me busa na usi sudua mam se. Enkrofo koyi ya kwanchere bone.
And it's part of life.
Na omo de abejeje enkrofo favor. Free wom se.
Part of life.
Nti na me pese busa se. Enkrofo omo animu aba bebrebe yi. A omo aye stars bebre ya omo abeya enkrofo ofum omo. Ebi die ye. Akwanchere bi omo de ato omo so na obi ehu omo.
I can't tell.
Asema wo kana me busa do ka say you can't man me no nya adwene. Unse obi o ho a ebi a oba ekra na nche. But the way nipa be si afom no. Ni nyina ebi ye bone na bi nso ye papa na.
It's possible. Okay. But me nante because I can't tell. Me say me to me because way sir.
Me can say bobi e but me can in general.
It's possible. Yes, it's possible. It's because when you say eba we are say me din can say the spiritual world controls the physical world.
Yeah.
It a kwan bia so obi be fa so ama ne oye physically etumpon no e honhom.
Okay.
Ntino we na sa eboa and different sacrifices people perform to shoot them up physically with what they are doing. Okay. And it be so your modern bo.
Modern bo.
It be so your modern bo. Ntino yeah so
modern bo na take it time kakara.
It take it time pa. It take it time pa and then I know a process I will go through here and then you get it. Obi so born ho modern but some will be teaching. Into modern born wo ho or some will be teaching no obi so ho a or naive.
Nti no answer the wo ye ko.
Born ho modern wo kwa.
Nti eno sa no obre.
Obre onchen so ne yi nefio.
Nti wo suggest say we say obi anya bibi kind.
Yes, I also pay Rade Chakwan.
Okay.
Rade Tawachi. Because he's the ultimate power.
Me pacho oyere.
Yeah, my worry.
You nampacho my say.
And my mommy and son.
Hey, and then yasem kitwa. And then mammy and sa so net was a. And I was high suffer.
Yeah.
Was that Tonyo? Na me pacho say waba set is na yes Sophie. Na yes say. We now be playing. I was say ofefi oba no neja. Esa we don't safi fani nufu nene to. And pacho suffer oba ya na onya.
My baby.
Oh yes Sophie.
Oh, my baby.
What fina no?
My oh say acting.
Ba wo feel.
Acting.
Omfe.
Acting.
Say tie ka say me acting e fi ma no. So wo ba feel.
So what scene na say sana director say any there. We do it.
But acting so yes of ba fi man.
Acting. It's in the acting world. Right now we are in the interview world.
Nti no, wo feel obi anu wo sinima anya bone.
Oh, mommy, adwene etechire no. Adwene etechire. Na ni nyina so nyina na real.
Okay.
Nyina na real, and so there are different kinds of kisses.
Okay.
Yeah, so you don't go deep.
Say ebinum say wo mon kisi wo sinu but wo say obi de na no abona no so. Eno de omo fan say normal.
You know, because I another type of
okay.
it.
Now
so
you
don't
can say
go deep.
say maybe a tram. Now movies no mutimi kissing ma you feel say these people they are really kissing. And no be na me busa say wo be kisses ah.
Send the cause yeah, so yeah.
Hey.
That's the acting world.
Okay.
One year, ultimate boka.
Na say ka se sisi asofo wo ho nenka boxer shorts abe wo.
Boxer shorts. Oh. Once a year ade bia na mpempen so. You know, so kind of na ye wa han kwa ye those things.
Wuro mo ho mane drum box. Na say mate me wuro mo nyina.
Once a year movies and you different types of movies.
Okay.
And I make us say you different characters.
Okay.
You know, a honey say no. Na me ya pa catch you say. You be owa abrabomu no. Me fa ne say ne ni gisa ne ma no.
Okay.
Into no okọ acting mu baby odi ni be she bia no oye without ferry.
Okay.
But you be so ferry.
Okay.
You be to need director cast director with them Mr.
Okay.
Tone it down for me. Into ba e be see wow character no so.
Okay.
Until me say there are instances I tell them I can't go beyond this level. Okay. I can't go beyond this level. Okay. That's all. So depends on the character.
Okay. Depends on the character. So for say ka so mfo bia no dey acting wedding ten dey. Obe fi pa ma won say ofi. But so we run ho dey end dey. Oh, you man of God. My mean try me home braces. Migu so etwetwe nkomo na enkomo no ahead de pa. Amene man of Christ etwetwe nkomo. Man of Christ.
Mama.
Me pacho me be bo ewura be before na asem ebusa. See how we acting no. Ne bi edu akoto ro bi se sikedru nti edu funu adaka be si ho. Nti dem ana wu ne ye ne down na yensu twa wo ho nsia. Mbacho be ya na so.
Thank you very much. Nti won say character we. Any first one I will kan sikedru ebony. Sikedru ebony.
Ebony.
But we are acting more ebony.
And you want to send a who portray be character.
Thank you. So you are portraying a character, and yet that's not who you are. Now, a bassa line now. Me din kan ka say ade na ye no honhom.
Yes.
Remember 2 instances.
Okay.
You could try a movie be baby na obi o my wife owie. I was here deda no. You do also on yet. Until obi fufu na be ye.
Until ni role ni nyana asigu.
Debi na no kwan na last role.
Okay.
The last scene. Nti odu on sen kwani ontimi omo ti ase e ma no
okay
e na obi beda hot se ono ba nipa no beda hot se ono me ne no ko bo mpae
okay
ansa na obeye
okay
because in the spirit world no they can take advantage at any time to do something nti adwuma na ye no honhom wo
okay
nti se okoyiske drone ni ade se wo body mpae bo ni ade nyina kan o my different scenes roles are if you are my friend, me ritualist. If you are me, say, you know, you pray, and you make sure that at the end of it, and it is same in every field. We a teacher ni, home edi enim I was come at the child to me soliti obi ni ada nti ade we o baby yes acting nkwa but since you can acting nti na me cheche musa no so you need to pray before you do it. Before you do, you need to pray. You need to pray because a bit many so. There are people are demons. Cinema. Strong, they had effect.
Okay.
Once you have a friends are tongues. They say any can you treat a tongue.
Okay.
You can't English a tongue. So there are tongues. A casa hodro. But make me a casa business say one tears here.
Yeah.
Mungu akubariki. Good Swahili.
Okay.
But if you Kenya na say Tanzania ho bibia obetiasie.
Okay.
Mungu akubariki means God bless you.
Okay.
Mungu means God.
God.
Akubariki bless you.
You.
No waka Swahili obetiasie but your kasa bi so a eye kasa obi antiasie.
Okay.
Inti mebie ma no kasa Ibaro ikita telebe. Me ameka me ntiasie.
Yeah, o ka ton.
Wo so ntiasie by chire bibi.
Yeah.
Inti e fro sinimu se baye comfort and I say ritualist and be now we are just make bibi akeke a when you wo kan sin bi
won say there waka e bi asimbo so obi ye comfort ye country but yes e bi a obi de na asma ba onko na nanu monum na onko busas won say na nipa no kan sin bi
won ti asem
wono ne ya kan sa akeke
no the person so or active the agro but you are saying something.
Okay.
It means something in another language.
Okay.
In the spirit.
Okay.
Until make us say one prepare you are probably calling a spirit.
Okay.
Or you are engaging a spirit,
Okay.
What friend waba? Obey Juma. But what I say? See you to why ye. So what could do na ye?
No, but I was all bumpy.
Good.
Okay. Now me pacho. Your 2024. Your election year. I'm saying ya me boa coming December 7th year beto.
Sure.
Na I believe so we so for politics the em say e Bible.
Everybody is a politician.
It's me pese o can now said the man see ko any said the nyina ye team need said the nkrofo keka no enye me na make said the Ghana for kan so o man yi mu aye den na kufu adone na aban o ma be say o man na ma ho kira ba no o so gi tum sana.
Mama sounded cautious with my Ghana for. Nipa bie no bit me o man ni.
Okay.
Nti yensusu fa ye re nche nipa.
Me pa twa asem ya kan pese obo base ma me ti se de wo preach no. Wo nipa bie ni ho a obetimi aye o man ni yie no. Nti pese wo kan den ma me.
Nipa bie ntumi nye o man ni yie. Nti yensusu fa ye re nche nipa. Na yen nyina ye mboa na enko ye because nanado Jubilee House. Sisi ayo kase onti kumase ha.
Nti oni be ekoso asade.
Nti na ade a meye wa ha no, it can affect the nation or help the nation.
Okay.
Nti eni nyina na ye kabom na ye boa oman no. Nti no ye ntumi nkase wa bese no.
Okay.
Because ono so betumi nya no reasons a kire se bia se ni se na nyamia.
Okay.
Se ni se ba nyamia se but we penny so a yes here this so a people will blame him because he's the leader. But also be one of the reasons a chese on also so nya hwinti no mean to mean ka say was say or my non say or man because obi the
Canadian and che biana running mate for MPP.
Yeah.
One also yi on also vice running mate Dr. Matthew Opoku aye friend na po Opoku prempe friend na na say all man speech no so what's in speech no man untie so kasa dru baby ko kasa free say Ghana by 1957 up to date president bi en ho awaba oye papa enti say na nado dan kwa kufuado kwa me nkoma kora wo bai o ameye hwe.
Wow.
Ama sasem na okay no. What is your take on sasem na okay?
Oh, that's his opinion. Ono say no hu ne ma no. And you know, yes, you hu it differently.
It is all different ne yesempato.
Oh, to me no. Obi abeye na afemu de.
Okay.
Untumi ka say obi bae no. Ne oye no nti no wan bia nanado ye papa si omu nyina. To me it's an insult.
Okay.
It is an insult to their intelligence.
Okay.
You know. nisa nko kasa because obi abeye ne de nia wo betumi a wabeye na wokọ no obi so abeto aso no obi so abeto aso ena dispensations no so nye the same.
Okay.
The challenges in the days of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah is totally different from today.
Okay.
Or the opportunities totally different from today. Into to me found to ton kase wa mambe wa papa si omunina. That language to me is unfortunate. Yeah, because they did wonderfully well.
And I won't say Ghana ha na say we are singing as say me pe wa asem so we bone kura me fi said the why na papa. I say NDC for no aso asem den. The MPP for so say asem no kan no kan ye. Eno ama kontompo akata no kura so Ghana ha.
Oh, send the course de bia. We politics, your political language.
Okay.
Anti-politics, politics one a language.
Okay.
If you don't speak the political language, you don't fit to be there. To know any politics.
Okay.
And you see any Thomas and on your money. Because almost uncle feature almost a back.
Okay.
Almost the boom num boom. So Nipenusuno, they speak the political language. The political language, has to do with finding faults with the other so you can take advantage of the person. Okay. My young but they are just speaking the political language, behaving.
Na time so say ekoto abade. Me yen hwede wo mu ye ni ekiri. Na time so ne ekoto abade ayen koto.
And send the intina me se man hwe ne omo ye no enkodi ekiri nkonko ye bi.
Okay.
Ye se bia enkodi ekiri se bia nkoto aba. Na mum no hwe wasitirim na to aba.
Na se me busa se asetina ewo mu yi. Wo hwe ababa na yen.
Se ye ma wa hwem na to ko bibia wo pe.
Mpacho me busa wasem se asetina ewo mu yi. Wo hwe ababa na yen to.
Me to me can't abawe na beto. Wa hwe na we be decide because me nipa me so one party me favorite.
Okay.
Me favorite in MPP, me favorite in NDC. Me do cover before for cry.
It is say chede be ya.
Me penaso
so abe ya ha. Enti wo be suggest say nka MPP ni NDC.
Yen for mo sinchen. Yen pebe before. Test o mu no nyina nko ye.
Okay.
We ni so bebre sa no mo kanti no. I think it's time for us to change.
Okay. Enti wo hu ne se cheda.
E so be din.
Obetimi aha wo mo kakra.
Oh, anya kakra pa. Just say we need to be on winning. Because
let's say PP for no betimi break here.
The truth of the matter is Ghana having a third force. Just alliance bem.
Senka chada na ko ne sofu chirabosum.
Any alliance chamatimu na kabom. Oh na yenya third force papa but obi agina nkwankwa dia you should forget because Ghana MPP NDC asa
Kotokone has
bibia Zana Ghana
ndi kra na okubase
ndi me mum de minyaaya nke yom minu nyina sinche
ndi say we de unyaaya ye behwe na youth no e wo Ghana for nsem eni yensem na me pa cho so sa atonyum
bajani
Tonyum keto bichira. Na mpacho yedi ni mahwen.
Oh me fanti.
Me hu na me hu so fanti.
From Kobinebo.
Because say them is throw abi say hello Juba. Abaye
fanti for ya kan.
You fanti for okay some kitu e bia na odi brofo kakra na odi a mix no.
Mix.
Chele enkofa eziban na impede be eat dia. O come na obeku fanti for you always mix the fanti with the English.
And it's beautiful.
Yes, it's why infantini out on you ide. And you be o me the fire, Pastor Joe be the boy. Mpesa o to sa anyom ne kire me.
Oh, okay.
O se unya obi.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that you anga.
Ai, acho.
Ai free kakra adesu bi ai duro bi ai obi. Ndibato mpesa me test voice na kakra.
Inyobi, enyi ne chewa so. Na mo ai ha kakra. Adisebera yedu, obiara yobi, ikawasama na ayi free. Papa mukama mukana sumomare wunda. Nyamira wompa bomo.
Intime yeko
nipa nyu na mezi komo. Nyamina nyi na makade awo Yeswe. Miriba wonchen. Mate de ibotu ma che menkwa se mensa. So
Ah.
Minim de
And you're not one of my favorite songs. Na mbaja wa so abo onyuma na. Na also onyum ne de na a man of Christ onyum na hit ana. We need hit song. One gaza we need hit song.
I say na oboso saro.
Wa ba mo.
Enyizo.
I
have a lot of songs. I have 5 albums.
And one point and away inside.
No, out.
But that's
I have a song with Coda. I have songs in different languages. Yeah, because of missions in time to Quine.
Number one, you then a hit.
Oh, biaran sewo, udini alpha, ni omega, mfitiasie, ebeye nyame.
Oh, yeah, video.
Man, to be on your video.
And tonight, hetero.
We by YouTube.
Sir.
Yes, we. That's the second song. Me feature Brother Sammy. It did well.
Ah, okay.
And then, there is no other name. There is no other name. Me feature Coda.
Who say infante form monyo
no.
The great Kofi Amponsan you me by ana kwaju amponsa nenyum kwefan say. And you me cry me ref.
Oh, Pastor Kofi Amponsa.
Pastor Kofi Amponsa nenyum me.
Ah, so
Yummy. It's me young.
Okay.
Who's that time you say so for you have because Pastor Joby.
Yes, because
voice
one is the father of the other.
Yes. Pastor Kofi Amponsa and Pastor Joby.
Debbie.
Pastor Joby to Papa. And then they're my top bomb.
Papa you hate after 15 years.
Whoa.
Ntino e obi an nemre hate no ye bre e obi an bre Joe Metal is my friend, Joe Bicham is my friend, M.O.G is my friend. Almost all the artists are my friends.
Okay.
Yes, and so you obi an nemre I am into more of worship missions than artistry.
Okay.
But still I know me release songs.
Nti say no. Me ye dey nkomo twetwe na eba wi ya.
Me name song am ni Coda ye na ke be twa video anche na.
Ana free mu so ono kra nche be ye na yi.
That's right.
Oh, may his gentle soul rest in peace. Say Ghana gospel artist no. Say a bit to say for ba ko nene na mbonjuma.
Oh.
Man anka be fan ba ko.
My friend.
Your friend.
Joe Metal.
Joe Metal.
Wajin so tum tenche be.
Tenche be. Ah, okay. Say me da se pass on me twetwe nkomo. Na me nse nkomo we part we be part. But yeah, kwe. Some time na munyini bana. Anytime we difference kako. As a time we prekakra. Ubia pese we ye obi. Nti mpacha my last word bia. Ebe me hu se wo chena o ye yi a obetimi hu chena.
Yes. Madam M.O.C. Yem tiase se yem pentem nya ye ho.
Okay.
Ye die so no a process.
Okay.
And into no to boss. Men ko fa kweti kwan.
Okay.
Isan say kwentia mpenifo kwase kwentia emusu. Nti nya botre ade na wo ye no nya nsi.
Okay.
Abotre na doni a wo ye na make sure so be yere ho no ayaye ni. Be consistent and disciplined, and I believe say ebeko yama enko pre ho nyamishra.
Nyamishra onso so. Na mnim sem repem no. Enkomo ebesa abapa to because ensem bebre ho amamusa mepemre na mede abebusa preaching ho asem nyina ebeba abebusa.
Oh yeah, sure.
Me da sepa.
Nyamishra.
Nyame enhira mu bebre minim se enkomo yi wati afutu obi wom. Sanselum banyum bi waka asem bi o mo say eframa de huhu pade a onya intinipa no matter who you are. Ntimi enwane enche wusunsum da nti abrabo sofo se yento ye boase opa obi na obeye atwuma wo event ase e ma papa ho fe ho akono on ma o ma is a red fisher akese ayachi ayapapa ho na ye twimo kokoko na ye de ahyehye mu a unse basa na ye se obi a pese otibiwia fa woni che juba oshes e ma o mo ba program ase a ma ba Omogaso mu be yi 20 cedis krom be wiase no mo yi 500 cedis. Joba washesma. Friend number ye twagui. Na Joba Austrian an event yebeba na ye ne wa bedi kasobom ewo program na se na me side of village and apartment o pokiase amanfom isan se wona oboma baba ene de omudi me free patase sha sokoban so for high phrase stone wa high phrase sokoban asago
yeah.
asago so for say asago
Asago.
ena ode abedru ha na me da omase omso number na etwagu no frɛ won na one wo betwetwe nkomo me da obi bia ase hwe ho yi na okyina emu nsɛm ɛkyɛ ene nyame nhyira obi bia I love you all.
Bless you.